I had a client call recently because he was charged with a felony in Georgia and asked me how the process worked, how the criminal defense process works. In the state of Georgia, if you're charged with a felony, there is several different court dates that will occur in your case. The very first court date is called an arraignment, and it is when you are notified of the specific charges and allegations against you. The next step in the process after arraignment is the court will schedule several plea days where you can negotiate your case with the assistant district attorney that is on the other side and is actually prosecuting the matter. And then eventually you will be set for a pretrial calendar where you discuss whether or not you want a bench trial, which is a trial simply in front of the judge, or whether or not you want a jury trial. And that would be a trial in front of 12 Georgia citizens that your attorney would have an opportunity to weigh in and help select. And then once the jury trial or bench trial is complete, there will either be a conviction or an acquittal. If there is a conviction, there will be a sentence after that. The procedure can be kind of complicated. Every case is different. So I'd love to talk with you about your individual matter and we can walk through exactly what will happen in your case. Please call me.